Okay, so I'm an idiot and I forgot to film the very beginning of my video, so I am doing my beginning late. This is the last thing I'm filming, is the beginning of the video. And I'm still having trouble getting all of my content in one day and then putting it into a video and then editing it and then putting it up at the same time. So this is like 2 days worth of content that I'm just kind of compiling into one video. So, and you probably tell from the title, I don't even know what I'm making the title or the thumbnail yet, that I got the diff done. So the diff is done. The diff is welded, it's ready to go. All it needs is fluid. There's a hair on my microphone, and to be kind of like cleaned out and tested out and looked at and stuff like that. So I need to get fluid, I need to get tires on the car, and once I get tires on the car I can take it out and I can test it and all this other crap. Bike's back, we did that. Went to a barbecue yesterday for Street Lethal and Sean. Yeah, I had a pretty eventful 2 days. So why don't we just get into that? So, here we are, back home, and our differential is back, and I'm gonna open her up and show you what we did on the inside.
Mini square fat square fat mini square fat square fat mini square fat square fat mini square.
As you can see, they're not the most gorgeous welds. I mean, welding inside of a differential case is a pain in the ass in on itself, but the important part is that we've got the spider gears all welded together, and the ring gear is clean and able to move. I filled it with a lot of weld, because you don't want this thing to break while you're going down the street. Not gorgeous, but it'll get the job done. Alright, as you can probably tell, I got my decent tripod back, so that's good news. And diff is back. I just need to get some fluid for it and fill her up, and then we can test her out and drain the fluid and put new fluid back in it, and do that a couple of times until I make sure that there's no debris in there, and we'll go from there. So far so good. Everything works. I mean, it's not the prettiest, but ain't nothing breaking that ever. That's gonna stay welded for a long time. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. You just gotta keep moving forward.
Let's break it.